My name is Saroj Lohani and I will teach you science. Now this is your science book. The name of the book is World of Science. Now today we will start our first chapter and the name of chapter is Food and Digestion. I will write the name of the chapter on the board. Chapter 1 name is Food and Digestion. Okay. Now I will read first para, then I will explain you. Okay. Now see, all living things need food to survive. Food is the fuel of our bodies. It gives us energy to do work. We eat many different kinds of foods like rice, wheat, fruits, pulses and vegetables. Some of us also eat fish, eggs and meat. Food keeps us healthy and strong. It helps us in the repair of those parts of our bodies which are weak or hurt. We eat breakfast, lunch and dinner at proper times every day. Now first line is all living things need food to survive. What is the meaning of survive? Survive means to live longer, to live, to grow, to continue to live. So all the living things need food to grow, to continue to live. Food is the fuel of our body. You know what is the meaning of fuel? Fuel is that substance which produces energy. When it is consumed, it produces energy and that energy helps that person to do work. So you have seen the vehicles running on the roads. They need fuel to move. What are the fuel they need? They need petrol, diesel. Nowadays CNG gases are also used in some vehicles. So imagine our body also just like a vehicle. This is a vehicle. This vehicle cannot run, cannot work unless it gets fuel. Now food is that fuel which we have to consume in our body. That food will work with the oxygen which we breathe in, and with the help of that oxygen it will burn and then it will give us energy to do work. So like this, food gives us energy to do work. We see different kinds of food. We eat rice, wheat, maize, pulses, vegetables and fruits. Many of us eat meat, fish and eggs also. Now see, food keeps us healthy and strong. When we eat these different types of food, we become healthy and strong. It helps us to repair the damaged parts of our body. When we get hurt, then it helps in healing that part of the body. Sometimes when you go to play, there you fell down, your legs start bleeding, then what happens? Tissues from that side, the tissues get damaged. Then this food helps you to heal those parts. When you will not eat, then that part will not get healed. Okay. Now food also helps to repair the weak parts of the body. Sometimes when you fell sick, then your body becomes weak. Then doctor prescribes to eat different types, that special type of food which you have to eat, which will help you to grow stronger. Okay. Now food. We eat breakfast, lunch and dinner at proper times every day. How many meals you eat in a day? Normally we eat 3 meals a day. Breakfast, lunch and dinner. In the morning we eat breakfast, in afternoon we eat lunch and at night we eat dinner. And we have to take all the 3 meals at proper time in a day. When you will not eat those meals at proper time, then your digestive system will become disturbed. Okay, so you have to eat your breakfast around 8 to 9, lunch you should eat from 1 p.m. to 2 p.m. and dinner from 8 p.m. to 9 p.m. So it is, so now this portion is completed. Now, if you have any problem in this, you can ask me questions, and you can with the help of video or with the help of message, you can ask with this from this para. If you have any problem, you can ask me. Okay. Now I am going to start now first topic. Now first topic is components of food. Components of food. Now what are the components? Component is the part of a part. Component are the parts of the food. Now food, what are the parts which food has? Means food has many things. It has carbohydrate, proteins, vitamins. These nutrients which are present in foods are called components. Okay. Now I am going to read this para. Food is made of nutrients like carbohydrates, fats, proteins, vitamins and minerals. What are nutrients? Nutrients are those substances present in food which are useful for our body. Without those nutrients, our body cannot work. It cannot survive. We cannot survive without those nutrients. We will get the deficiency of those nutrients in our body, then we can become weak. So what are the nutrients? Nutrients are carbohydrate, fats, proteins, vitamins, and minerals. Now these are the nutrients which we have to include in our food. These nutrients are helpful to us in many ways. About these nutrients we will study further. Okay. Now besides these nutrients, food also contains roughage and water. Besides these nutrients, it also contains roughage and water. Now what is roughage? Roughage is that part of the food which is not digested. So it helps in the elimination of waste products from our body. So doctor advises us to eat roughage also, including other things. He also advises us to eat roughage and to drink plenty of water. Doctor tells you that you have to drink 8 to 9 glasses of water every day. So these components of food, these are the nutrients which are present in our food. Those are carbohydrate, fats, proteins, vitamins and minerals, and roughage and water. Okay students, now this much for this session. Now in next session we will discuss about the nutrients present in food like carbohydrate, fats, proteins, vitamins and minerals, roughage and water. Till then students, stay safe, keep on learning, and thank you.